Today I just bought a very off-white product, very cool for me. Okay, let's look at the description of the off-white galaxy that I bought this. Off-white Galaxy brushed long-sleeved t-shirt. This black long-sleeved t-shirt from Off-White encapsulates the brand's haute-streetwear aesthetic, mixing effortless hip-hop street style and given a fashion polish. This Galaxy brushed long-sleeved t-shirt, crafted in Italy from soft cotton, features a round neck, long sleeves and a straight hem, and the brand backquote signature prints on the sleeves and at back. Designer style ID, OMAB001F1762003099901. Color, 9901. Composition, cotton 100% washing instructions, machine wash. Wearing, model is 1.89 meters wearing size 46. Designer backstory, Virgil Abloh is responsible for the high-fashion streetwear brand Off-White, forcing the streetwear crowd to view the urban scene through his disruptive architectural eye. Abloh created a line that combines graphic emblems and Japanese infused structure for a hype-driven audience. After gaining momentum with his prior brand Pyrex, sold originally in his multi-designer boutique, Virgil used his outlook as a global citizen to create a new concept inspired by the cross-pollination of current omnichannel media. The outcome was an athletically city-driven line with a high-end, gender-neutral finish. And that's the video clip or off-white review that I bought. Maybe. Not the product I bought is not how good you bought it. And thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video. I Arafi to see you again in the following video.